Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I'm freaking out. You guys will want to stay to the end of this video because this is a total secret. My boyfriend, my family, my friends, nobody knows that I'm going blonde today. I don't even know if I know it myself. I'm scared. But I'm gonna film their reactions when I show them, and they're gonna be so flippin' surprised because they literally have no idea that I'm doing anything to my hair right now. They don't know I'm going blonde, like nothing. So you guys will want to see their reactions. So this is my natural color hair, just this brown, long brown hair, and I love it. I love my hair. Why the heck am I dyeing it? I do not know. I do know because I've always been curious what I'd look like with blonde hair. It's hard to picture without actually doing it, so I figure, what the hey, you only live once, let's flip and do it. Plus the girl I'm going to is almost done with beauty school and she only has 1 month left where she does a free appointment. So I'm getting this done for free, first of all, which will save me like $200-300. If I don't like it, I could always just dye it back brown, but that would be annoying because then I'd have to spend the $200 or $300 to get someone else to dye it back brown. I've gotten highlights before. They turned out terrible both times. They're nothing like I wanted. I'll link those videos down below. I actually have a physical transformations playlist, which is my tattoos, my piercings, getting my hair dyed, so if you like these kind of videos, check it out. I got my hair dyed dark auburn, and then this past summer, the same girl who I'm going to now dyed it back to my natural hair color. So like I said, I love it now. Who knows why we're changing it, but we're gonna do it. I think that's enough rambling on. I'll update you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I'm here in the parking lot. Also, this is a really good video to watch if you want to dye your hair, if you have long hair, or if you have brown hair, to see how it turns out, if it fries it. I'm really interested. Hopefully it doesn't feel like hay afterwards because that would kind of suck. It's really nice and healthy now. I could do a hair care routine if you want to see how I grew it so long and healthy. I guess it's time to go in. Like the video, give me some luck. Hey guys, so the lighting in here is not great, but I'll put up a picture here if I have one. It's definitely not blonde. I would still call it brown, but it does look nice. I'm not sure if I want to spend the money, but I think I'll go in to get it lighter, and I want to truly see what I look like blonde. Since it's not as drastic as I thought, I'm not gonna FaceTime my family and film their reactions, but I still will get Tyler's, and he should be home soon. I'm sitting in his room right now. He's at the gym, but I'll show you guys what he thinks.
What are you doing?
I lied to you today.
Why?
I was getting my hair done.
Oh, let me see. You really sent me that text saying all that? Ooh, sexy.
Look how light it is.
Smells good too.
You like it?
I do.
Forgot to film an outro, but thanks for watching everyone. Have a great day, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.